Hello, fellow adventurer. Get ready to explore the vast and diverse landscapes of Canada, a land known for its friendly locals, stunning scenery, and iconic landmarks. From bustling cities to rugged wilderness, join me as we uncover must-visit destinations, unique experiences, and the essence of Canadian culture. Our journey begins in Toronto, Canada's largest city. Ascend the iconic CN Tower for breathtaking panoramic views, wander through the bustling St. Lawrence Market savoring multicultural delights, and catch a thrilling Toronto Maple Leafs game at the Scotiabank Arena. Indulge in a classic poutine like fries, gravy, cheese curds. Prepare to be awestruck by the thundering power of Niagara Falls, a natural wonder of the world. Embark on a thrilling boat tour to feel the spray on your face. Witness the spectacle from behind the falls on the journey behind the falls, or capture breathtaking aerial views with a scenic helicopter ride. Escape to the majestic landscapes of Banff National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Hike amidst snow-capped peaks, canoe on the turquoise waters of Lake Louise, or take a dip in the natural hot springs of Banff Upper Hot Springs. spot wildlife like elk and bears, and enjoy a cozy evening by a crackling campfire under a star-filled sky. Travel back in time to the charming city of Quebec City, reminiscent of Europe. Explore the fortified walls and historic Chateau Frontenac, wander through the cobblestone streets of Quartier Petit Champlain, and indulge in delicious French-Canadian cuisine like maple taffy and poutine. Don't forget to try poutine au smoked meat, a Montreal specialty. Canada offers hidden gems beyond the popular destinations. Witness the iconic Peggy's Cove Lighthouse in Nova Scotia, embark on a thrilling polar bear tour in Churchill, Manitoba, or drive the scenic Cabot Trail along the rugged coastline of Cape Breton Island. Explore the vibrant art scene in Calgary, go whale watching in British Columbia, or visit the historic city of St. John's in Newfoundland. Immerse yourself in the diverse Canadian culture. Visit a maple syrup farm to learn about its production and savor its sweetness. Cheer on the Toronto Maple Leafs or Montreal Canadiens during a hockey game, a national obsession. Participate in vibrant multicultural festivals like Calgary Stampede or Toronto Caribbean Carnival, celebrating Canada's diverse communities. From soaring mountains to charming villages, bustling cities to breathtaking wilderness, Canada offers an unforgettable adventure for every traveler. So pack your bags, brush up on your basic French, and get ready to experience the true Canadian spirit. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures.